Here is the Kia Forte. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now that's what the bulbs are. The way to access it is you have to open the hatch. There is an access panel. For that you'll need a flathead screwdriver and you'll very likely need a socket ratchet combination with the 10mm socket. Get the screwdriver and pry the access panel out from over there. And that's what the bulbs are. You need to get the electrical connector out. So grab the flathead screwdriver, press down there and get the connector off. Now this light is being held in place by 3 nuts, 1 and 2 and 3 outside there. For that you will need the 10mm socket ratchet combination, and especially for this inside one, if you have an extension, that makes life easy. So let's go ahead and undo this nut and the outside 2 nuts, so 3 nuts in total, and keep them all somewhere safe. Now we need to get the light out of the body. So get the flathead screwdriver, use the back end of it and push on the studs. Use it to pop it off. 1, 2 and 3, all 3 of them. That is going to get the light out. Now you can comfortably access the bulbs. Now that's the bulb holder for the inner tail light bulb. It may be a little bit tight, so you have to use both your hands to twist it left, and that's it. Now it's loose, get the bulb holder out. To get the bulb out, just push it down and twist it left, and always touch the glass surface of the bulb with gloves or a towel or something. Do not touch it with your bare hands. So press it down, twist it left, and out it comes. The bulb replacement size number is 1157, says it right there on it. Put the new bulb back in, and if you're not able to push it down, take it out, turn it around. Now you should be able to push it down. See that? So push it down, twist it right, and it's secured in place. Now the bigger tab, the slightly bigger tab, that needs to align with the slightly bigger slot in the light. So that way when you put the bulb holder in, it just drops right in like this. Or you'll spend a few seconds twisting and turning, getting it to align and drop in. At this point, simply twist it right to lock it in place and you're done. Now let's put the light back in the body. Align the 3 studs with the 3 holes. Align it. That's looking good, and push it. And now it's in the body. Get the 3 nuts and start tightening them on one by one. 1, 2 and 3. Finally, don't forget to put the electrical connector back on. It only goes on in one way. Let's put the access panel back on, line it this way and push it to clip it on, and that's pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful.